Hi, my name's Catherine and I am a dancer with Ffin Dance. So we are here delivering our dance and enhanced workshops with the community and the young people in Llanhilleth as part of Off the Streets Youth Cafe. We've been coming to these guys for over a year now and we've seen a huge difference in behaviour, attention span and general physical movement. So we transform real life characters and we use tasks, creative tasks and physical movement to exchange with the young people and make sure that they feel comfortable performing in front of other groups of people.
I've come to meet Ffin Dance, a project that we funded through the Office of the Police and Crime Commissioner, to work with young people to give them positive experiences and to help divert them maybe away from antisocial behaviour into doing things that keep them fit and will keep their interest going. So I've had an excellent chat with some of the instructors and I've looked at what the young people have been doing and I'm very pleased that we've been able to help this work.